You log in hoping to earn some freebies or rare pets in your favorite Roblox game. Then you see BloxDrop, a platform promising free coins, random drops, and the chance to unlock rare in-game items or currency. For a moment, it feels fun and harmless, but then you pause and wonder, is BloxDrop actually just a free gaming site, or is it thinly veiled gambling targeted at minors in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we dig into gaming platforms, apps, and websites to see whether they're legit or exploitative. Today, we're breaking down BloxDrop to see whether it's real fun or a hidden gamble that could be harmful, especially for younger players. I spent a week analyzing BloxDrop. I read dozens of user reviews, tried the interface, watched how their spins and packs work, and followed withdrawal stories. I also reviewed independent scam analysis sites, community forums, and articles on reward-based sites tied to games. I compared BloxDrop's mechanics with known reward platforms and gambling-style websites. Based on all this, I now understand clearly where BloxDrop operates legitimately and where it crosses into serious risk territory. BloxDrop presents itself as a reward redemption site for gamers. Earn coins by playing simple minigames, watching ads, or completing tasks. Use coins to open packs or spin wheels for in-game items, pets, or game currency. Offers free reward possibilities, no guaranteed payment required. Quick, easy access for kids and gamers. At first glance, this looks like a fun bonus system, but can we really trust their claims? And is this system ethical or potentially harmful for minors? Let's break it down. Step 1. Mechanics. Are they games or gambling? BloxDrop's core is opening random packs, spinning wheels, or rolling dice, hoping for rare rewards. These minigames function very similarly to gambling systems. They are chance-based and rely entirely on luck, not skill. That already places the platform in gambling territory. Because users spend earned or purchased coins for a shot at rare items, and because odds are not transparently disclosed, the system matches several characteristics of gambling, even if traditional money betting isn't always required. Step 2. Transparency and proof of payouts. Despite bold promises of free coins and rare drops, there is no solid proof that all users receive their payouts. Many community reviews point out stuck withdrawals, failed redemptions, and reward deliveries that never arrive. A large number of glowing reviews look automated, generic, or suspiciously repetitive, a common pattern found in scam-leaning reward sites rather than legitimate platforms. Step 3. Target audience: kids and minors. BloxDrop heavily promotes itself around games popular with children and teens, often using bots or spam-like tactics inside gaming communities. Because the site revolves around rewards for games like Roblox, whose user base includes many minors, the risk becomes significant. Random chance reward systems are known to trigger addictive behaviors, especially in kids. Many complaints from parents and older players describe BloxDrop as gambling disguised as fun, which is a serious ethical red flag. Step 4. Withdrawal and reward reliability. Users consistently report issues when trying to withdraw or redeem rewards. Several say that after spending hours accumulating coins, the site suddenly denies or delays the withdrawal. Others report that once they reach high balances, the system becomes unresponsive or asks for additional verification that is never processed. This unreliable reward delivery is a hallmark of platforms that operate more like gambling traps than legitimate game reward systems. Step 5. Risk of encouraging addictive behavior. The wheel spinning, pack opening, and random reward mechanics resemble gambling designs almost perfectly. These systems encourage chasing rare items, respinning multiple times, and spending more time or even money to try again. For minors, the primary audience drawn to BloxDrop, this can foster addictive loops. Many community warnings label BloxDrop as a sketchy gambling system for kids, which highlights the seriousness of the risk. So, is BloxDrop just a harmless gaming site, or is it gambling disguised for kids? What they are, technically: a reward offer wall platform with chance-based rewards, a system where some users might get occasional small payouts or digital items. What they resemble more: a gambling-like platform driven by randomness and non-transparent odds, a reward site with inconsistent payouts and unreliable redemption, a design that risks encouraging addictive behaviors among minors. BloxDrop leans heavily towards child gambling masked as a fun reward site. The random mechanics, lack of transparency, questionable payout reliability, and marketing aimed at minors make it a risky platform. If you're considering using it, or if a young player you know is involved, it's best to stay away and choose safer alternatives. If this review helped you understand what BloxDrop truly is, not just a game, but a gambling-style platform with real risks, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits for more honest breakdowns of gaming and online tools. Share your experience in the comments. Have you tried BloxDrop? Did you get any reward or did it feel rigged? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping you stay safe, smart, and informed online.